You're welcome, right? Did we nail it?
Yes, we did. Yes, I did.
Lori? Yeah, Lori. Yes, honey. There we go.
Oh, thank you. Wonder what that could be, Sean. Wow, this is heavy.
Oh, snap.
John, I know, saying those.
Oh, God.
Box.
Look at those.
Whoa! Who gave you those?
Damn, Lori.
I know.
For real, Laura?
Yeah.
Me and my mom gave them to me.
Man, look under there for Drew.
Oh,
I don't think Nikes are gonna fit in there. Those are nice, Sean.
And coupon.
Mom, did you give me this?
And coupons.
Wow, thank you, Santa.
Brush your
And
teeth.
more.
Santa loves the
And
stuff
more.
Benita's family.
And more. Look, take one for you.
And me. Yes, Mommy.
Awesome, Mom. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Those are from the
Mom,
Nelson
I'm
Tate
loaded.
family.
Thank you very much, Benita's family. Whoa, that is a tub of peppermints. Silverware.
That is a lot of candy.
It is still nice.
Wow, no wonder you got a toothbrush, because you eat all that,
Now.
you're gonna need a toothbrush.
Oh, it is snowing.
Oh, it's snowing.
Yeah.
Merry
Can't really see.
Christmas, Colleen. That's a present for her.
This is a present for her? Can I look at it?
Hi, kid, there's a present for you.
Honey, what is this? A sock? That's bad luck, Mom.
Way to go, Grandma.
Aw.